If you love smoothies, protein shakes, soups, or homemade sauces, you already know that not all blenders are built the same. Some struggle with ice. Others overheat when blending tough ingredients. And many simply wear out after a year or two of heavy use. But what if there was a blender designed to perform like a commercial powerhouse while still fitting perfectly in your home kitchen? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender, a heavy-duty smoothie blender built with a powerful motor, precision blades, and durability that aims to last for decades. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's start with the real problem most people face with blenders. You buy one expecting silky smoothies and crushed ice drinks, but instead you get chunky textures, overheating motors, and a machine that struggles with frozen fruit or nuts. That's frustrating, especially if you're trying to make healthy drinks daily. This is where the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender changes the game. At the heart of this blender is a 2.5 horsepower copper motor designed to power through tough ingredients like frozen fruit, ice cubes, nuts, and fibrous vegetables without slowing down. Instead of struggling or stalling, it maintains consistent blending power, so your smoothies come out silky, creamy, and perfectly blended every time. But raw power alone isn't enough. The real magic happens with its laser-cut stainless steel blades. These blades are engineered at precise angles to slice ingredients efficiently instead of smashing them. That means smoother textures, less oxidation, and better flavor in everything from green smoothies to nut butters. So here's how it solves a common blending problem. Instead of leaving chunks or separating ingredients, this blender creates uniform blends with professional level consistency, exactly what you'd expect from a cafe-quality machine. Another standout feature is durability. Many home blenders aren't built to handle daily use for years. But the Infinity Blender uses heavy-duty metal gears, a powerful motor system, and a BPA-free Tritan jar designed to handle demanding ingredients again and again. In fact, this blender is NSF certified, meaning it meets professional standards used in commercial kitchens. If it can handle the demands of restaurants and smoothie bars, it's more than capable of powering through your daily kitchen routine. And let's talk about the jar. The 64-ounce Tritan blending jar is stain-resistant, BPA-free, and large enough to prepare smoothies for the entire family in one batch. Whether you're blending breakfast smoothies, crushing ice for frozen drinks, or making soups and sauces, the capacity gives you flexibility. One feature I personally appreciate is the adjustable speed control. Instead of being stuck with preset programs, you can change speeds at any time during the blending process. That means you have total control over texture, whether you want a thick smoothie bowl, silky soup, or perfectly blended protein shake. Cleanup is also incredibly simple. Instead of disassembling parts and scrubbing blades, you just add warm water and a drop of dish soap. Run the blender briefly, and it self-cleans in seconds. For anyone who blends daily, fitness enthusiasts, smoothie lovers, busy families, or even home chefs, the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender offers something most blenders can't: professional performance with long-term durability. Instead of replacing your blender every couple of years, this one is built to keep performing for the long haul. If you're serious about smoothies, meal prep, or upgrading your kitchen tools, this blender could easily become one of the most used appliances in your kitchen. So if you're ready to enjoy smoother blends, faster performance, and a machine designed to last, this might be the blender you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description to check the latest price. And if you enjoy discovering powerful kitchen gadgets like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review.